We have Mr. KRC Murty, Vice President, Chief Technology Officer, Deutsche Bank. Thank you, sir. Welcome.
Thank you.
CTO Summit.
Thank you.
So we are all discussing IT today in banking sector. So how do you perceive the information technology in Indian banking and financial institutions?
So technology is really progressing ahead, right? Every day we see a lot of new technologies coming up, especially fintechs coming into the play now. They're pushing us to embrace new technologies. So we are forced in some way, and some way our customers are requesting us to, give them new offerings on technology. It's like you need to have a millennial thinking. That's how we perceive as technology in banking. It's rapidly changing.
So how you are making, as a Deutsche Bank, making the most of the advanced technologies that are available for a bank today?
So one of the advantages is we are a big, large global bank, right? So it is easy for us to adopt the global technologies, right? And we have innovation labs and hubs at US and Germany and UK. So constantly we look for new technologies and we try to adopt them. We do a thorough POC and then we try to be there in that space. It's like be there or left out. So we try to embrace the new technologies coming in. So that's an advantage being a global bank.
In India, sir, there's a lot of talk about the unified payment interface, right? So what are your views on that? It is already, people are saying that it's one of the greatest thing that has ever happened to you.
Absolutely. It is a wave, right? It is a new, wave which is there. We'll have to definitely embrace that. There's no choice. Either you get onto it or you get left out, right? And there are quite a few initiatives which India has taken. From our perspective, we have to be there, right? We have to compete with others. If I don't provide, I am not there in that space, we are left out, right? So it is going to be a real game changer.
What have been the recent IT initiatives within Deutsche Bank?
So
you have actually, tried to make the life of customer easy.
From a perspective of endpoint end user experience, in India we are really trying to go ahead on digital initiatives, right? Globally we have watch banking. We were one of the first banks to launch Apple Watch Banking, right? And we are one of the pioneers who give the interface of debt trading to the clients, right? We have one of the best technologies in the world. So from an initiative perspective, we try to get the new technologies. We just finished the blockchain discussion, right? We have done a POC on blockchain, right? Now I can't give you more details, in-depth details, but we are trying to be there as one of the first bankers. So we are embracing technology to the best possible corners, right?
Blockchain, there are certain challenges, right? So will you please highlight those? Implementing the blockchain in Indian scenario.
It will take time, right? I just mentioned that it will take anywhere between 5 to 10 years before it really matures and people start using it. Definitely it's going to be there. It's a big wave. There's no doubt about it. It's just like the internet in 90s, what happened. It is going to be the next wave. Our next generation will definitely embrace this technology, right? If not we, our next generation is going to really make use of it. There are quite a few challenges, as I mentioned. Then regulations around it need to be there, right? A very strong regulation. Today we are all used to a legal contract, a paper-based legal contract. So when it gets into a blockchain digitalization, how do you really go and prove yourself, right? How do you accept it? It's a complete change of mindset. It is not so easy, right? You want to see your legal contract in codes, right? Cryptographic manner. Are you ready to accept it? So those kind of things.
Last but not the least, comments on the Vistas CTO Summit.
One of the best events I always like to attend, right? You get the best of the speakers, best of the content, right? We always get to learn new things, so that's why I'm here. Happy to be part of this event.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. We'll keep seeking your guidance and suggestions.
Thank you. Pleasure is mine. Thanks for.